and thank you for joining us tonight. 7 News at 6. More than 36 hours after the storm swept through Anderson, the National Weather Service has been on the ground surveying the damage.
Yeah, they're trying to figure out exactly what caused it. Our Colin Riviello is joining us live from the area now, and I guess they have a verdict on this, right, Colin?
Absolutely, yes. We have news that some might find comforting. The National Weather Service has determined exactly what went through Anderson earlier this week, causing property damage like this tree that's been uprooted from the ground. In fact, here is one of the roots. It's very thick, it's very large, which means it's likely been growing underground for years at the minimum. Now, the National Weather Service says that what rode through Anderson County stayed in Anderson County. With cleanup underway from Wednesday's overnight storms, which uprooted trees, some falling onto homes, the meteorologists and surveyors of the National Weather Service are surveying the damage.
So this looks like a few snap trees.
Trying to answer the important question of exactly what type of storm knocked out power to thousands of homes.
So we've seen numerous trees down and some structural damage out in Anderson County, especially in downtown Anderson.
He says winds reached about 75 miles per hour, causing tornado-like damage, but
tornadoes are a lot more concentrated and down a more narrow path.
But that's not what they've found here.
A lot of trees down that are facing the same way, so the movements of the storms were kind of moving from the northwest to the southeast, and so we kind of saw that as far as the general line of where the trees fell down themselves.
Cheney says that's more consistent with straight line winds spread at least 5 to 10 miles wide.
The movements of the storms were kind of moving from the northwest to the southeast, and so we kind of saw that as far as the general line of where the trees fell down themselves.
Now the National Weather Service says if there was a tornado, they'd expect to find trees in the ground in a crisscross pattern because of the way a tornado naturally circulates the air around it. For now, live in Anderson, Colin Riviello, 7 News.
All right, Colin, thank you. As for the electricity, Duke Energy's outage map shows about 4,000 homes in the county still without power.